Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. In this video, we're diving into Pixpa, a website builder at https://www.pixpa.com, specifically designed for creatives. Whether you're a photographer, artist, designer, or any other type of creative professional, Pixpa offers a platform to showcase your work and build a stunning online portfolio. Pixpa provides all the tools you need to create a professional website without requiring any coding knowledge. Their intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it simple to customize your site's layout and design. You can choose from a variety of beautifully designed templates and personalize them to match your brand and aesthetic. Beyond portfolio creation, Pixpa offers e-commerce functionality, allowing you to sell your work directly through your website. Integrating a store is seamless, enabling you to manage products, pricing, and orders efficiently. This feature makes it easy to monetize your creative work and streamline your sales process. Client galleries are another standout feature. These password-protected galleries provide a secure and professional way to share your work with clients, allowing them to browse, select, and download images easily. This streamlined approach enhances client communication and simplifies the delivery process. Furthermore, Pixpa offers integrated blogging capabilities. You can share your expertise, insights, and behind-the-scenes stories with your audience, further engaging your visitors and establishing your authority within your creative field. This feature allows you to build a community around your brand and strengthen your online presence. Pixpa's comprehensive platform provides everything you need to build a beautiful, functional, and profitable online presence. Their all-in-one solution eliminates the need for multiple platforms and simplifies website management. If you're a creative professional seeking a user-friendly and powerful website builder, Pixpa is definitely worth considering. Check it out at https://www.pixpa.com and let me know what you think in the comments below.